Hey there, natural explorers. Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most mysterious and captivating creatures in the ocean, the jellyfish. But first, let me ask you a question. Did you know that jellyfish have been around for more than 650 million years? That's even before the dinosaurs or trees. And they've managed to survive this time without a brain or central nervous system. Pretty amazing, right? So, let's dive into some fascinating facts about jellyfish. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. Number 1. Did you know that jellyfish are not actually fish? They're classified as invertebrates, which means they don't have a backbone. But that doesn't stop their success. In fact, jellyfish have been able to thrive in oceans all around the world, from the warm waters of the tropics to the deep, dark waters of the Pacific, and even the below-zero cold waters near the poles. Secondly, jellyfish are mostly composed of water. Some species are actually over 95% H2O. This high water content makes them virtually weightless and neutrally buoyant in the water. Unlike bony fish that have to actively swim to stay afloat, jellyfish can simply drift through water, exerting minimal energy. This brings us neatly to number 3. Jellyfish are excellent floaters. They can control their buoyancy by contracting and relaxing their bodies, allowing them to move up and down in the water column. They also use a process called jet propulsion, where they contract and relax their muscles to create currents to propel them forward. This allows them to move efficiently and quickly through water, even in currents that would be too strong for other animals. Number 4. Under the right conditions, jellyfish populations can explode, forming blooms that consist of thousands or even millions of individuals. One species, the balloon jellyfish, has even been observed having blooms of hundreds of millions of individuals covering tens of thousands of square kilometers. Number 5. There is a species of jellyfish, known as the immortal jellyfish. It has the ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form and start its life cycle anew. Some scientists believe that this process can potentially go on indefinitely. Number 6. In response to unfavorable conditions, some jellyfish can enter a state of suspended animation, also known as stasis. This allows them to survive harsh conditions. Let's move on to number 7. Jellyfish are not just found in the ocean. Some species of jellyfish can live in freshwater environments, like rivers and lakes. They've even been known to survive brackish waters, where the salt content is higher than freshwater but lower than seawater. Fact number 8. Some jellyfish have a unique defense mechanism. They have a layer of stinging cells resembling tiny harpoons called nematocysts that they use to protect themselves from predators. When threatened, they release these stinging cells into the water, stinging predators while they escape. Number 9. Some species of jellyfish have formed a symbiotic relationship with algae, which live inside the jellyfish's tissues. These algae perform photosynthesis, convert sunlight into energy which it shares with the jellyfish, providing the jellyfish with a built-in food source. In return, the jellyfish protects the algae from predators and helps transport them to areas with more sunlight. Pretty cool, right? Number 10. They may not have brains or vocal cords, but some jellyfish are secretly chatty. By contracting their muscles, they can create underwater clicks and pops. Scientists think they do this to attract prey, warn off predators, or communicate with other jellyfish. Who knew these gelatinous wonders had so much to say? 11th fact. Jellyfish have a reputation for being stingers, and it's true that some species pack a powerful punch. However, the good news is that most jellyfish are actually quite harmless to humans. Their stings, if present, are often mild and comparable to a mosquito bite. So, while caution is always wise when encountering any wild animal, remember that the vast majority of jellyfish pose no threat to you. Now, for number 12 on our Jellyfish Facts Countdown. Did you know that there are some jellyfish that are bioluminescent, meaning they have the ability to emit light? This bioluminescence serves various purposes, including attracting prey, deterring predators, and possibly communicating with other members of their species in the dark depths of the ocean. Number 13. Jellyfish have a fascinating life cycle. They start out as tiny larvae, floating in the water column. As they grow, they settle onto surfaces and become polyps, which are stationary mouth-like structures that feed on small prey. Eventually, the polyps bud off and become medusae, also known as jellyfish, which are the free-floating, bell-shaped creatures that we all find so fascinating. Number 14. Think keeping a goldfish is challenging? Try jellyfish husbandry. While mesmerizing, these delicate creatures require specialized environments like circular tanks that mimic ideal ocean currents and provide precise temperature control. It's a complex dance involving carefully formulated diets and meticulous handling. In other words, you are better off appreciating these beautiful and fragile beings by visiting an aquarium rather than trying to keep them alive yourself. And finally, number 15. The Irukandji jellyfish is considered one of the smallest and most venomous jellyfish, measuring only a few centimeters. Conversely, the lion's mane jellyfish holds the record for the largest jellyfish species, with bell diameters exceeding 2 meters and tentacles trailing up to 37 meters long. That is larger than the blue whale, the largest mammal on the planet. And that concludes 15 amazing facts about jellyfish. Let us know in the comments if you have any other fascinating info to share about these marine marvels. And if you want to keep exploring, check out the book Jellyfish, A Natural History by Dr. Lisa Ann Gershwin. A link to her book is in the description below. Dr. Gershwin is a leading jellyfish expert who has published extensively on jellyfish ecology and behavior, uncovering secrets about their complex life cycles and their role in ocean ecosystems. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the wonderful world of jellyfish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Until our next deep dive together, have a great day.